per Terry's request, I'll be making meatballs again for spaghetti. And of course, I will have some spare for myself. I'll be making sweet and sour meatballs with green bean. By the way, when I have a funny story to tell. When I was new in America, almost a month while I was cooking, and Terry is still at work, I was thinking, hopefully the gas won't run out while I'm in the middle of cooking. And then when Terry arrived from work, I asked him, where's the propane gas located? I didn't realize that we're using natural gas that is located underground. And of course, there are lots of random funny stories if you're new in America. But of course, in the Philippines, I was thinking almost at the end of the month, we have to buy a propane gas, LPG. That's my little shares to tell. Alright? Enjoying my night in the kitchen again.